welcome to tonight. Tonight we're going to talk about supervolcanoes, specifically Yellowstone and the tragedy that happened
50 years ago.
So today we've got some experts coming up, one including Sarah Rockoff. So Sarah, can you explain to me how supervolcanoes are formed?
So what happens is there's a pressure build-up underneath the volcano, and then when it builds up to a certain point, it releases. And it's a big pressure build-up, and that's why. It's a big pressure build-up, and that's why. Okay, so now on to our next question to our other expert, Ashley Arias. So Ashley.
Yes,
Sarah.
you are.
What are the effects that the Yellowstone eruption had on the environment after 50 years?
So in the 50 years after it happened, the short-term effects, we have some archival footage actually that I want to show you first before we answer it.
We're here at the aftermath of the Yellowstone National Park eruption. There's some dead bodies on the ground. There's a young male slumped over the mulch here. I'm dead. The young female here. She looks quite happy to be dead. And then this is the final body. We'll just zoom in on the face. As you can see, there's lots of ash marks.
Oh my god, there's so much ash falling from the sky.
Be careful! There's a rock falling from the sky! It's coming! As you could see, after the eruption, the sky, the smoke, health impacts, first of all, like there was a lot of people that died, a lot of people had
Why is this funny to you, Dr. Arias? To me, this is a tragedy.
It's tragic. I'm so upset about it. Like, you don't understand. But I deal with tragic humor.
I think we've had enough from Ashley Arias. Back to Sarah Rockoff.
Sarah, how did the tragedy affect you?
So, it was 50 years ago. So, I guess I'm older than 50. That's kind of embarrassing, but that's fine. The tragedy really affected my family and my neighborhood. Like, the place that I was in was completely... like some embers kind of things were still burning, and like this sea of ash.
You heard it here first, people. Sarah Rockoff is over the age of 50. Now, time for the interpretive dance.
Traveling in a freighter combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. Took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under? Where women go